Okay, so hello everyone. So this is Diamond Star with her new vlog, and today we are heading towards the Christmas market. So come on, let's go with me, and we are just waiting for the bus right now. Hello everyone, so here is the Christmas market, and this Christmas market has won the best award in Europe, and it's very beautiful. So that's why today I'm here with my viewers, and I will today let you show all the Christmas market and all the blooming and glooming and the shining and stars, everything here, and I will tell you that why it has won the best Christmas market award this year. So okay, come on, let's come with me. Okay guys, so first of all, if you want to enter into the Christmas market, make sure that you are having your vaccination cards with you, and without that there is no entry due to the COVID situation. So let's start from here. So the decoration of the shop is very beautiful, and all the items that they are selling are just related to Christmas. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so little items are here.
So I wanted to show you all this very beautiful Christmas market because it has been creating a lot of hype that it is so beautiful and one should go there. And moreover, Christmas is not just about celebrating this event. This is also about respecting one's religion. So if I'm here, so guys, don't be critic that whether I'm celebrating the Christmas or this and that. So just focus on the thing that I'm just here to enjoy myself, to enjoy this decoration, and to give respect to one religion. So please avoid such kind of things in the comment section. Moreover, I just wanted to show you all these beautiful shops which are being decorated very finely, and I'm just loving it, and the price range is also very much affordable. As you could see the stuff.
So this is paper art. Maybe it's maybe the paper art in Hungarian.
और मेरा जो ये vlog है, maybe it will just become little bit late because I have no time to edit it, but most probably next day after the Christmas on 26th I will be uploading this because tomorrow I have an exam and I have to prepare for it, and a lot of other things, other tasks, other chores I have to do. So that's why don't mind it, but I will try my level best to upload it as soon as possible. Okay, so here is another shop. As you can see, there are a lot of beautiful dresses, colorful dresses, all the caps are there. So caps are mostly wore by the Hungarian people here because of the weather and everything. So the card shop is here, and then the jewelry shop is here, and the jewelry is very unique here, and it's a little bit different from Pakistan because here the people have different fashion and the dressing sense. So it is just related to that, and I'm really liking it, and I'm definitely gonna buy from here today the few of the gifts from my friends.
Okay, so right now we are at Fashion Street, and this is very famous at Take Furniture, and it looks so beautiful by the night. Okay, so the signal has opened. So Fashion Street Budapest, your lifestyle. So this is the motto of the street, you can say. and it looks so beautiful. Just take a look around. Okay, so right now it's -1 here, so we are feeling very much cold, and that's why we are just heading towards Starbucks to have some coffee, and then again we will do some enjoyment, taking pictures, making vlog and everything. And this is beautiful, and here is a car. This one is really cute. Now I wonder why Budapest has won the Best Christmas Market Award this year. It's really worth it. Okay, since it is too cold outside, so we have just come inside the Starbucks to have some coffee and something very, warmer one. So here we have ordered some coffees and hot chocolates. So I'll just show you that, okay? Okay, so everyone is just having their coffee. So this is Brishti, my friend, and this is my friend Dola, and at this side there is Tyra. I can show you coffee.
And my hands are freezing, literally freezing.
Everyone is just freezing, but the girls, they're still busy in their fashion and just roaming around. Okay, so this is my cup where my name is written. Ah, yeah, so here is
Not one.
Hera. Okay, Hera.
We told her, but
Okay, so it feels like Yuira or something like Nira. We are just enjoying, and it's -1 degree as I have told you before. So we are just enjoying here at Starbucks. Okay, so meet you after completing finishing my hot chocolate. Bye bye. So here we have caramel waffle. Okay, so here we are to add some more chocolate and sugar in our hot chocolate. I think this is cocoa and this is vanilla, nutmeg. Okay, making it more chocolatey. Shall I open it? Fashion Street Japan store, and yeah, just come. Okay, so it's just looking very beautiful. All the doors, the Christmas caps are there, and the gifts one, and here is the beautiful tree, as you can see. Just come.
I don't know if it was good because there was so
They have just made me their hangers, and everyone has just given me their jackets, and just see what she is doing there. Everyone is just busy making the photos, and I'm just carrying all the stuff with me. Hey Dola, are you enjoying? No response. Dola, are you enjoying?
yeah, I'm enjoying too much.
And Vrishti, you?
Of course, and you are so lovely.
Obviously, you are in the company of Hera with the diamond star. You have to. Tyra, are you enjoying?
And I love
but-
confident people.
But Tyra is just waiting to, these guys are just gathered up, and she's not able to take her pictures anymore. So I'm just waiting for them to just please go away. My friend wanna take the pictures, and then we will just move forward. Okay. ये हाल होता है उन लोगों का जो एग्ज़ाम से एक दिन पहले घूम फिर रहे होते हैं और उसके बाद सुबह लेट हो जाते हैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए, लेकिन फिर भी हमने हिम्मत नहीं हारी। मैं और बृष्टि दोनों उठे, हाँ हम दोनों भागे एग्ज़ाम के लिए। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ आई गॉट फुल GPA इन द एग्ज़ाम, ये वी बोथ पास्ड। और अभी ये बुरी हालत हो रही है, अब हम घर जाके सो जाएंगे क्योंकि रात हम लोग जो है ना अयाशियाँ कर रहे थे, तो अभी हमें बहुत सख्त नींद आ रही है।